United Arab Emirates, February 13, 2024. Heavy rain and hail this week surprised residents of the United Arab Emirates, which is mostly a desert country. The temperatures in Al Ain City, located in the east of the country, plummeted to as low as 7.6 degrees Celsius, 45.6 degrees Fahrenheit, on Monday. A resident of the city, Romeo Tumayao Puncia, filmed a video of a river of hail inundating a residential area. Puncia said it was the first hail seen in more than 13 years, making the accompanying video all the more shocking. The street was crazy, and everyone was outside of their building looking at this surprise, he said. A lot of cars were damaged too. More than 6.4 inches of rain was recorded Monday at the UAE University Station in Al Ain City, located in Abu Dhabi. Additionally, Al Ain City witnessed the highest amount of hail in the country, the newspaper Al Khalid reported. The weather was unprecedented, exceptional, and a rare phenomenon, with hailstones falling in record sizes and large quantities, the newspaper reported. This atmosphere spread joy and happiness among the people who have a special love for rain, the outlet reported. Many of them raced to celebrate the collection and formation of hail.